SnapActions lets you trigger Premiere Pro actions instantly. From one single command bar, you can run any Premiere action. To use SnapAction, install Blinkle.io. Download Blinkle.io for free on our website, Blinkle.io. The extension is built in. Custom presets. Apply your custom presets to multiple elements at once. First, select your elements. Open Blinkle.io. Type your preset name. Select your preset with the up and down arrow keys. Press Enter to apply. Define shortcuts. Bind a custom key to any Blink.io action. Open Blinkle.io. Type the action to bind. Select the action, press Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus K. Press the keys you want to bind to the action. Then close. Find all your shortcuts in the settings. Now, applying your presets is even faster. Use native effects. Apply native Premiere effects. First, select your elements. Open Blinkle.io. Type the name of the effect. Select the action, press Enter. Edit the properties. Press Enter again to apply. Save the preset with Ctrl or Command plus S. Type Custom Effect Preset to edit or delete your presets. Open Projects. Open your project before even starting Premiere. Open Blinkle.io. Type the name of your project. Press Enter to open your project and start Premiere Pro. Project Templates. Create projects from your Premiere templates. Open Blinkle.io with Ctrl or Command plus K. Type the template name. Press Enter to create your project. Export Media. Export multiple clips more easily than with native Premiere. Open Blinkle.io. Type Export Media. Choose which area of your timeline to export. Select your favorite export preset. Press Enter. Export frame. Export your current frame easily. Open Blinkle.io. Type Export Frame. Select Export Frame. Press Enter. Select Export multiple frames based on your timeline markers, or export the frame at the current playhead position. Then press Enter. That's all you need to get started. For more, visit Blinkle.io and discover all our extensions.